Okay, today we'll discuss about gray code in STLD or in digital electronics. Gray code. This is one of the non-weighted code. In the last class we discussed about binary codes. In that we have weighted and non-weighted codes. Then we are discussing non-weighted codes. The non-weighted codes are gray code and XS3 code. So here, what is a gray code? Gray code is a digital non-weighted code. This is a digital code and non-weighted code, and the two successive codes differ by 1 bit, so it is also called unit distance code. Other names also I am explaining here. This is also called as unit distance code. Unit distance code. This is also called as a reflecting code. A reflecting code or mirror image code. Mirror image code. How these names came we will see later. Then go for how we can convert our binary number into gray code. That we have to discuss. So the given problem is convert the given problem into gray code. Convert from binary to gray code. Binary to gray code 111001101. This is a given binary number. How we can convert into gray code? So how we can convert we will see with one operation that is called as XOR operation. XOR operation. Here in between the bits we are going to perform XOR operation, exclusive OR operation. What is XOR operation we will see first. For example, I am taking AB, two inputs, so 0001 1011, all combinations, 4 possible combinations, 0001 1011, 4 possible combinations. What is the output? Output is equal to A XOR B, or it may be A bar B plus AB bar. So you may take any symbol as output. For example, I am taking Y is equal to A XOR B output. So 0 0 you will get 0. 0 bar into 0 plus 0 into 0 bar. For 0 0 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0, you will get 0. 0 0 you will get 0. 1 1. 1 bar into 1 plus 1 into 1 bar. For 1 1 I am checking. 1 bar is 0. 0 into something 0. 1 into 1 bar is 0. 0 into something 0. 0 plus 0, 0. For 0 0 and 1 1 we are getting zeros. And if the inputs are different, then we will get the corresponding output as 1. That is XOR operation. When both inputs are same, then output is 0. When both inputs are different, output is 1. Output is 1. This operation we can perform between the bits from whenever you are converting binary to gray, gray to binary. See here, for example, A, B, C. This is one binary number. This is one binary number. Let us take A, B, C. 3-bit binary number this is. So if you want to convert from binary to gray, what we have to do? We have to write MSB bit as it is. This is MSB bit. Most significant bit. This is LSB bit. Least significant bit. Okay, LSB and MSB. MSB as it is you can write. Then next operation is in between the bits you can perform XOR operation. A XOR B. What is the output? Here you can write. A XOR B is the next bit. Then next is B XOR C. B XOR C is the next bit. First bit, second bit, third bit. This is gray code. Gray code. I am taking ABC as the binary numbers. ABC as the binary numbers. Then A as is you can write. MSB bit as is you can write. Then perform XOR operation between these two. A XOR B is the next bit. B XOR C is the next bit. Over. This is the conversion from binary to gray. In the same manner. For example, this is a gray code. I am taking A, B. So if you want to convert from gray to binary, A, B, C. I am taking this is a gray code. Then MSB bit as it is. You can write MSB as it is. then diagonally XOR operation. This result and B bit. Diagonally exclusive operation and result you can write here, and next exclusive operation in between the results. Okay, this is for idea purpose I am giving, no problem, we will see the example. So in between two bits we are going to perform XOR operation, that is essential. We'll see now. So this is the given binary code. So I am writing as it is 11001101. How we can convert into gray. This is the binary number. This is given binary number. I am writing as it is. How we can convert into gray is MSB bit as it is. This is MSB bit. MSB bit as is you can write. As is you can write. You have to perform XOR operation in between these two. 1 XOR 1. 1 XOR 1. What is the output? 0. 1 XOR 1 output is 0. 0. Then in between these two, again 1 XOR 1. Output here you can write 0. 0. Again in between these two, 1 XOR 0. 1 XOR 0. 1. 1. Here you can write 1. Again 0 XOR 0. Both are same. Then output is 0. Output is 0. 0. Then 0 XOR 1. 0 XOR 1. 1. 1 here. Again 1 XOR 1. Same bits. Output is 0. Then 1 XOR 0. Different bits. Output is 1. Again different bits. 0 XOR 1. Output is 1. This is the gray code. This is the gray code. First MSB bit as is you can write. Then adjacently can perform XOR operation up to the last bit. 1 XOR 1. What is the result? 1 XOR 1. What is the result? 1 XOR 0. What is the result? Like that you can write all the bits. So finally this is a gray code. It is correct or not? How we can know? By converting again gray to binary, you can verify our code very easily. Okay. So then gray to binary. I am going to check gray to binary. 100101011 is our gray code. So here for understanding purpose I am reviewing this. Then you can able to understand very easily whenever I will explain. Let us see now. This is given gray code. This is the gray code. How we can convert? First MSB bit as it is. 1 is as it is you can write. Then diagonally can perform XOR operation for this result and the next bit. 1 XOR 0. 1 XOR 0 is 1. 1 here. Output is 1. Again diagonally can perform another XOR operation. 1 XOR 0. Result is 1. Again 1 XOR 1. 1 XOR 1. Result is 0. 1 XOR 1. Result is 0. 0. Again 0 XOR 0. 0 XOR 0. 0. 0 XOR 0. 0. Then 0 XOR 1. The bits are different. 0 1. 1. Again 1 XOR 0. Bits are different. Then result is 1. Again 1 XOR 1. Diagonally we have to perform 1 XOR 1. Both are same. That's why output is 0. Again 0 XOR 1. Output is 1. 1. This is 1. Like this we can convert binary to gray and gray to binary. So 11101101. 11101101. This is binary corresponding binary number. Okay. This is gray to binary and binary to gray conversion. And let us see why it is a unit distance code. Let us take 0 to 7 decimal numbers. 3-bit binary number I am taking 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0 and so on 7, 111. I am converting 0 to 7 into 3-bit binary. Then I am going to write a gray code. 000 is gray code is also 0. 001 is 001 same. 010 is 011, 011. I converted into gray code. These all binary codes are converted into gray code. Why it is called unit distance code is nothing but you can observe. You can observe here last 2 bits 0001. Last 2 digits 0001. 1 bit change. 0111. 0111. 1 bit change. 1 bit change. Again 1110. 1110. 1 is same. 0 1 different. This is unit distance code. Like this we are going to observe for all successive bits. Those are differ with 1 bit. That's why this is called as unit distance code. In the same manner, after converting this, you can observe topmost bit and bottom bit. Bottom bits 0000. MS bits I am taking 00 and 00. These arrows both are same. 01 and 01 same. 11 and 11 same. 10 and 10. These are nothing but mirror images or reflecting codes. Reflecting codes. Last 2 bits are reflecting. This is called as a reflecting code or mirror image code or unit distance code due to these reasons. Okay, this is about gray code and how to convert from gray to binary and binary to gray. Next we will discuss about access 3 code. Access 3 code, that is also very important. Access 3 and how to perform access 3 addition. Thank you.